Behind me I have two ultimate motorhomes. They are very different. One of them is basically a semi-truck turned into a luxury home, and the other one is something I call the bus. In this video, I'm gonna show you all the features on both of these and also take them on a drive and figure out what's what with these big, luxurious, and very, very pricey motorhomes. This video is made possible by our friends at Transwest. Use the link below, check them out. They have all of these motor coaches for sale here and they have a big selection. The bus is a brand new 2020 Newmar Mountain Air, and it's a 45-foot long coach, and it's actually quite a bit more expensive than the Super C, the Supreme Air, and it's about $65,000 of difference. And I want to figure out exactly what's going on here, so I need the expert AC here at Transwest to tell me all about it. Dude, let's check out the inside on the bus.
Let's check it out.
All right,
let's check it out. So the Mountain Air's got a lot of all the Newmars are pretty similar. They all got televators. Yeah, we can get comfy in here, watch some TV. It's got a TV up front as well. So we got plenty of TVs in here. So one of my favorite features in the Newmars is the induction stove.
Okay.
So basically, if you want to go have a cookout outside, this comes out.
Really?
And you can plug it in outside.
And it's pretty lightweight?
Yeah, lightweight. You can unplug it, take it outside, put it on a little table. You can cook outside. You don't have to have a grill. All the lights here, everything is on a touchpad. Here we got a full-size refrigerator. You got a king-size bed.
Well, you gotta have a king, right?
You gotta have a king-size bed, that's right. You can control whether you want your heated floor on, your generator settings, everything you can monitor from the front, you can do from your bedroom. Here's your walk-in closet, plenty of shelf space.
Double sinks and
double sink,
full shower,
full
right?
shower.
And everything has little latches.
Yep, keeps everything closed while you're driving.
There's one big difference between these two gigantic motor coaches. In the bus, it's a diesel pusher. The engine is in the back. In the Supreme Air, the engine is in the front. They both have about the same horsepower, about 505 or 500 horses, but the torque is a little bit different. The Detroit diesel under the hood of the Supreme Air produces more torque and actually has more towing capacity. Let me show you. On the Mountain Air, the bus, it's equipped with a 15,000-pound hitch, which is quite a lot of capacity. Of course, you have your 7-pin connector and you have a camera connector in case you want to connect additional cameras inside your trailer or maybe behind your trailer. And you can bring a lot of stuff along with 15,000 pounds, but the other guy, the Super C, doubles the towing capacity. One more thing before we leave.
Okay.
Tell me about the steering system in the back.
Okay, so this has a passive steer tag axle. So the front wheels are cut at 52 degrees and the steer axle is actually cut at 12 degrees. So when you're turning, that steer axle is turning and you can turn really sharp. I mean, it really makes parking and pulling in a tight spot's a lot easier than you would think on such a big coach.
It's totally a surreal experience because
It's crazy.
Because you're sitting over the front axle basically, or in front of it, and the seat is so soft and cushy, and you don't hear the engine. The engine is all the way in the back.
Right, and we've got the generator on right now and you can't even hear it.
No, and the suspension is so soft. How's the suspension on? Is it air suspension?
It's air suspension.
Okay. Lots of cameras on all of these trucks. The semi motorhome here has a camera on the side, but really neat. Check out the bus. There's a rear view mirror with a camera built into it, so you have a really wide view behind you and you can see quite a lot. Let me show you all the different camera options. The sitting position in the bus, it's completely different. The seats are wider, the leather feels a little bit nicer in here. You have armrests, of course, but the dashboard is fully digital. Let me show you, and let's look at all the camera views right here. Check it out, there's 6 of them here, 3 different rear views and 4 here. So you can play here all day and look at different views. Even with the slide outs open, you can still have access to a lot of the different views. And my favorite for towing, there are 3 different views in the back. You can get a wide view or a little bit narrower and very zoomed in on the hitch. So if you want to check your trailer, you could always do that. Just look at that, how much visibility you need, and you have it. You still have an Allison heavy-duty transmission here, 6-speed, but the control for drive and reverse is actually right here on the column shifter. Drive, forward, reverse, neutral. There's also a 3-stage engine brake. Click it all the way down for high, then 1 click up for medium, and then low. All right, well, let's check out the features on the outside. I see some awnings, a lot of storage compartments.
Right, you got window awnings, door awning, and then you got your big patio awnings that are up top.
Okay.
Those will come out whenever it's time to barbecue and watch some TV outside.
Alrighty.
Which brings me to the TV.
TV, of course. So there's 3 TVs at least inside.
There's 3 inside and 1 outside.
Okay, you gotta have it.
You gotta have some good refreshments, some cold beverages. So we've got an outdoor freezer that you can use.
And this is a powered one, basically.
Yep.
The semi-truck motorhome starts life as a 2020 Freightliner M2 chassis. And this particular Super C class RV is a Supreme Air. That's what it's called. But it's basically a 45-foot long luxury motor coach, and of course got tandem axles in the back. On the Super C, the semi-truck of motorhomes, it has 30,000 pounds of maximum towing, and just check out the pin. I mean, they're gigantic. Of course, you have a 7-pin connector here, and you have a couple of camera connections as well, so you can also connect cameras inside your trailer or behind your trailer, or maybe both if the system allows. Now AC, this is the semi-truck of motorhomes.
Right.
The Supreme Air.
Yes.
Let's check out the inside first and then the outside.
Sounds good. Let's check it out.
So first of all, this is also called the Super C class?
Yep.
Why Super C?
Well, you see the smaller C-class vans. This is just a huge version of one of those.
Okay, so Super?
It's a Super C, that's right.
Okay. Well, this is a Freightliner.
It's a Freightliner front.
So, and also have a big skylight in the front, so already it looks different.
Yes. Yeah, it's a skylight. It's got a shade that comes down. This one's got the DD13 engine, so it's a 505 horse. It's got 1,850 foot-pounds of torque with a 30,000 pound towing capacity.
The kitchen is similar, right?
Kitchen is really close to the same. On the floor plans, they're a little opposite. The other one had the sink on this side and the stove on this side. But again, it is the removable stovetop that you can use to cook outside.
So, I mean, there are a couple of different floor plans you can get, right?
Yes.
It doesn't all have to be this way.
Correct. This is the 4573 model. There's a 4577 that's a bunk model.
Okay. Bunk bed?
Yeah, it's got bunk beds in the back. And you do have your king bed.
Once again, slide outs right on both sides.
Slide outs, right? This one's got a full wall slide just like the other one, and then 2 slide outs on the passenger side.
This is a major difference. The engine is in the front. You could see it right there, boom.
Right. Yeah, it's 2 different beasts. You have the Class A that's got the diesel engine in the back, and then this one's got it in the front. Radiators in the front where the diesel pusher has it on the side, which is another big difference. A lot of people like driving the Super Cs because they like the feel of a smaller truck. You know, maybe they've driven truck before. I've had a lot of firefighters buy the Super Cs. Okay. They just like being in a truck.
Just the style of it and the feeling of it.
Exactly, the style and the feel. Because when you're in the cab, and you'll see when you drive it in a minute, it's a totally different feel.
And these are air seats, is that right?
Yeah, you got air seats, you got heat, and then you have lumbar as well.
Okay, so let me get a little bit of air.
You can also tell compared to the other one, the seats are not as wide.
Yeah,
right?
and they're not couches, but yeah, it's more like a truck. Okay, let's fire this beast up. Haha! Comes to life.
Yeah, Detroit sounds good.
And you could feel it in front of you.
Yeah.
Okay, pedal to the metal. Very similar acceleration, I would say.
Yeah, not too bad. No, the acceleration is really similar.
Yeah. This is a little bit more like driving like a gooseneck trailer. Kind of have to make a slightly wider turn. Yeah, like the other one had an all digital dash display, right?
Yeah.
This one has more analog type feeling. Right here in the Supreme Air, if you're used to semi-trucks, you're gonna feel right at home. And if you've driven a Freightliner M2, a lot of the same controls, and the sitting position is right here. The key is on the left, and it's pretty easy to fire up. Detroit diesel comes to life. You have your air pressures on your dual air tanks right here. And of course your Allison transmission controls are right here. And they've been this way for decades. Of course you have air brake controls for your parking brake, your trailer supply, and your HVAC system and all the other controls like the engine brake and the rear axle and the air suspension. They're all here easily available.
So this is just a small one, so you can see your fuel tank there, yeah. And here's where you fill up.
And there's 50 on each side,
correct.
Right? So 100 gallons now.
Correct. So this is a little different than on the Class A.
Yeah.
Because the Class A has the doors where you can just fill.
Okay.
Okay, and then you've got your generator, which is an Onan 12.5 diesel generator.
That's a big one.
It is, and it's the same size as in the other one.
Okay.
They both do a big one. Here's your power cord reel.
So the same setup there.
Same setup there.
When you add both of these together, combined as tested price is over 1.2 million bucks. And the Supreme Air, the semi-truck, is just under $600,000. And the bus, the Class A Mountain Air, is over $600,000. I learned so much today after driving both of these and wrecking my brain. If I had 600 grand, which one would I choose? And initially I thought the Super C, but I love the comfort and maneuverability of that big Class A. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you more of a semi-truck type guy, or you like driving that big coach, the diesel pusher? And of course, go back to tfltruck.com for more news, views, and real world motorhome RV reviews.